Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobile Mechanic 757, working on a GMC Arcadia, the Buick LaCrosses, and the Traverses are all the same. GMC and Buick are all the same, and Chevy. If you want to know how to charge up your AC system, you need to know where the low port is at. You follow this long cord right there. I can't really show you because it's way down there, but where the oil filter's at, it's way down there right beside the oil filter. You can actually see it. Well, it's really dark, but it's at the very end of this. Let's see if I can get it. There it is right there. Then you go backwards. That's where your low side is at. So if you're trying to figure out where in the world how to charge this thing up, that's where it's at. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share, and please leave positive videos. Thank you.